this video session, we are going to see another custom data validation. In this, these are the state codes of South Indian states, and here we are asking the person to enter state code. However, instead of relying on a list, we want to make it free flow, but we should give him a warning if the text inserted is not in this. Better is a list. However, we would want to see how we can use this using match and index. So let's see. So let's say so what I will do is, if let's say he has entered a state MH, I would want to see whether that state is in this or not. So it can be done using match. This is the lookup value, this is the lookup array, and our match type is exact match. So it is not there, NA. But if he has entered KL, it is 1. Right? So we have this formula. What we'll do is, we go to data validation, and in this we write custom and we enter this formula, match C4 L6 to L10 0. Okay. Now if you enter TN, it will accept. If you enter KA, it will accept. If you enter DL, it will throw an error. If you enter TS, it will accept. If you enter, let's say, JK, it will throw an error. Right? So this way you can implement data validation custom code.